Hi everyone, welcome back to the GuideUp YouTube channel. Today for this video of GuideUp, I will be showing you how to temporarily deactivate your Facebook account. Now to begin the process, open the Facebook application first. Now that you have been logged in, you need to tap on the three horizontal line with your profile picture on the top right corner. Tap that. It will direct you to the menu section, and on this menu section you scroll down and tap on setting and privacy, then tap on settings. Once you're at the setting page, you need to tap on personal information, tap that, and here you need to tap on manage accounts, tap on it. It will direct you to this page where you will have the option of account deactivate. Tap on deactivate. Now to deactivate your account, you will need to provide the password, your Facebook password over here. Type in the password, then tap on continue. After that, you will need to provide a reason for why you choose to delete it. Tap on the circle and then you tap on continue. Here you will have all this information before you delete your account. Scroll down and you will have this option of automatically reactivate my account in. Tap on the drop down menu and you will have all these options over here. So here basically if you want to reactivate after a certain period of time, you can choose the days that are available in here. But if you do not want to reactivate automatically, you tap on don't reactivate automatically and your account will no longer reactivate within itself. So here from the option, I'm going to choose the day 1 and then tap on continue. If you do not want to reactivate, you need to tap on don't reactivate automatically. Now before you deactivate, you will need to go through all the information and then tap on deactivate my account. This will complete the deactivation process and you no longer will have your Facebook account. So this is how you can deactivate your Facebook account temporarily. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the GuideUp YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.